Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain XPRESS Bills Pay app review to see if it worth using. So to get started with a in-depth review about XPRESS Bills Pay app. So to get started, XPRESS Bills Pay app is a centralized your bills payment, letting you manage municipal or utility bills, set up automatic payment and receive notification all in one app. Users appreciate its clean interface, ease of linking multiple providers and secure with PCL compliant platform. The app also allows you to schedule recurring payment and even view details billing history, which can simplify budgeting and ensure you never miss a due date. However, the experience isn't flawless. While many users praise fast setup and helpful reminder, a few report sporadic bugs such as being stuck in update loop or encountering slow load time. More seriously, there are customer complaints about double charge and poor support response. So if you are comfortable monitoring your account closely and don't mind occasional tech hookup, XPRESS Bill Pay can be a valuable tool for organizing and automating payment. And that's it. So if you find the review a little bit helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.